Whoa, stop scrolling. I want to share something with you. So you've been seeing all this talk about affiliate marketing online lately, right? But you don't even know what affiliate marketing is, do you? Well, let's change that right now. So first of all, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, freelance digital marketing, essentially all the same thing, just so we're all on the same page. And I am an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, freelance digital marketer. Got it? So I pick a product or service that I want to promote. And then I apply to be an affiliate for that product or service. The merchant will give me a unique to me link to that product or service so I can promote it to my social media following or any method that I choose. And when a buyer makes the purchase through my link, I earn a commission for that purchase. Why would businesses do that? It's simple. It's inexpensive and very effective for them. I mean, think about it. When you go to buy a product or service online, don't you look at the reviews? Well, essentially, that's what we're doing. We are giving our own personal review of these products and services that we're promoting. You're probably wondering if this market is getting oversaturated with affiliate marketers. The answer is no. In 2023, they expect affiliate marketing to be a $10 billion industry. And that's why you need to get started now. But wait, first you need to understand, number one, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Number two, it's not easy. It's a lot of work. Number three, anyone can do it. As long as you are willing to learn new high income skills and put in the time and effort. If you want to learn more, follow me, like this video, comment, learn more in the comments, and we'll chat. And I can show you the proven system that I'm using to see results.